one's out. Okay. Easy to take off for this one. Oh, here. We have to put this on first. Please go right down here. Alright, it's on. We're changing these fast, or? Yeah, we're changing it pretty fast. There's a top. Camber adjustment right here. The bottom already on. Other side done. Day 4 because of yesterday. Okay. Okay. Oh, the lowest, you mean?
The lowest?
Yeah. Yeah. So you're gonna have to cut it? Wait, you measured it from where?
From one. I don't like measuring from one.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why. I just don't like measuring.
Let me see it. With a little
fucking cut this shit.
For real, look. we had so much trouble with just cutting this little part. Look, we have all these cut out. Dang. That was bad, right? Then we kept messing it up too.
If I did my measurements right,
they should be going good.
Ready? Airbags.
No. Still like perfect. Dang.
Shit.
I look like we made that one good, right?
You think that's perfect?
I think that's good.
You sure?
You need to tighten it down. Yeah, bring it down. Let's see how it looks.
Maybe if I bring this shit down a little bit. Will that work?
Yeah, you could do that too.
Like that?
Yeah. Bring it down now. Let's see how far it goes down. That you bended it down. You have room. That's good.
Let me just bring that a little bit down. Okay.
Let's go. Now there's the other. What is it? The right.
The right side.
The rear right.
Rear right.
Ya está, te subiste, ya lo estás levantando. Picking up the car. Yeah, perfect right there on that one.
Perfect.
So yeah, 2 sides down for the height sensor. Oh, what happened? Se estaba levantando.
What do you mean?
Like, I don't know, it picked up. I guess you don't have them tight, that's why, right?
I'm just gonna leave it like that.
Like that? Not tight?
Not too tight.
No, but I mean,
If
like.
I tighten him a lot,
Yeah.
this thing's gonna hit right here. Y ya después,
Por
this
eso,
thing
pues.
is not gonna like move a lot.
Yeah, I know that.
And
But,
then this thing, I'm gonna push it too far.
but because it keeps moving, that's why. So, yeah.
It shouldn't really matter.
Oh, okay. Well, just make sure you tie those, the little nuts.
What little nuts?
Those little nuts. Those
Your
nuts
what?
like that.
You what? You little what?
Tie these.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are loose.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I think he's moving. Now there's the other, what is it? The right?
The right side.
The rear right.
Rear right.
Ya está, te subiste, ya lo estás levantando. Picking up the car. Yeah, perfect right there on that one.
That's perfect.
So yeah, 2 sides down for the height sensor. Oh, what happened? Se estaba levantando.
What do you mean?
Like, I don't know, it picked up. I guess you don't have them tight, that's why, right?
I'm just gonna leave it like that.
Like that? Not tight?
Not too tight.
No, but I mean,
if
like.
I tighten him a lot,
Yeah.
this thing's gonna hit right here. Y ya después,
Por
this
eso,
thing
pues.
is not gonna like move a lot.
Yeah, I know that.
And
But,
then this thing, I'm gonna push it too far.
but because it keeps moving, that's why. So, yeah.
It shouldn't really matter.
Oh, okay. Well, just make sure you tie those, the little nuts.
What little nuts?
Those little nuts. Those
Your
nuts
what?
like that.
You what? You little what?
Tie these.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those are loose.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I think he's moving. And when on the front, we have to make a bracket with bigger holes, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
What? From the right?
Yeah. Entonces nomás van así? They don't get tight or anything?
More tight.
Okay.
Tight. And then front right.
The other one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
And then rear left.
Rear left.
This one. Rear right. There, and then let's put the
The phone.
fucking thing. The phone.
Let's do the exhaust hole, drain thing.
Cut it straight.
Why?
Because if I don't cut it straight, it's gonna look like go in this thing.
Yeah.
For us to connect them. If you don't cut it like straight,
Oh, it's gonna leak a little.
because it's gonna be like uneven.
But not the bottom part. That doesn't matter.
No,
Right? The
that
end
doesn't
part.
matter.
Yeah.
This one's matter.
Yeah, the one that goes in.
There. Almost done. We just need for the tank.
The tank and I mean, we can put it on already or no?
We have to make the holes. That's why I'm putting everything right here.
But you fixed one?
Yeah, already. That one's already fixed. That one's already fixed. That's just
That one and that one? Is it not tight or what?
I think it's from right here.
From the line?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what I was touching. So
the worst one is the one over there.
why? What happens whenever you put air or you try to?
It just keeps going low.
Oh, okay. So and the controller shows, and then the pressure is going down. Well, I mean, what is that? What the hell does that mean? What is that talking about? What does it mean?
The invalid mount?
Yeah.
It's the controller. It's not mount right.
Oh, okay.
Because the controller has to be like that or like that.
Mm-hmm.
And the pressure calibration is the sensors.
And what does that mean?
I have to calibrate.
Oh, okay.
I have to calibrate first.
And what is over here? What is that?
That's the tank pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Right now,
is that good?
It's going up. Yeah, it's going up. It's filling the tank right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So and after you put it up?
And after, right now I can put the bags on already. But I'm waiting till it gets full.
Oh, okay. Well, tying them down from the inside. Yeah, maybe that'll help. I brought them. But it was 15 or 16. 15. Dang, good thing I brought them out. Like, I'm probably just gonna bring in the 16. Yeah. Where's the 15?
No,
Oh my god. Unless it has on the other one. You think one of them will fit? That one? Dang. Everything's done on the car. Just some trouble with the bags. They're leaking air. This one and the one on that side over there. Okay, see this? Bigger, smaller, okay.
Huh?
Bigger, smaller, or what?
Smaller.
Okay. 85, 97. That one's on 85. That one's on 85.
See this, it went down really faster than that one. Look.
Yeah. That one's going on like slowly. What?
I heard like a popping noise. Or something hit or something.
Maybe it was just the coil or the strut. The what do you think? It looks clean. Oh my god, it even has camera in the bag.
Does it?
It does. Look, boy. You see the tire? Damn. For real?
Yeah.
What are you on right now? How much?
20 something like 30.
Oh dang. Dude, look how low it looks.
No, the weird ones are like 40.
40. Oh,
45.
dang. Hey, so what happened? What'd you do?
But
For the lines.
Oh, I just got it. Look, I bought it.
Which one? See. Which one was it?
This one.
Oh, dude, look how it looks from on the camera. It looks so good. Well, I gotta get a picture for the thumbnail. Man. Dang, that looks clean, that picture, dude. This, man, this car is too clean. Hey, but if you think about it, everything like the bags and stuff, it wasn't hard, right?
It wasn't. The only hard part for me was the fucking sensors.
The sensors, yeah, like
thinking about fucking
like the bracket, and then you had to measure like the.
Yeah,
but other than that, it was like basically like coilovers. Put them in. That's it. Sophie like. Was that rubbing or what was that? I don't know if that was rubbing or something else. Those are the rotors I can hear.